You can also go ahead and ask questions based on uploaded article inside of Kimi. So for that, let me just paste out a Wikipedia article that I have copied related to World Wide Web right here. Let me just go to the end, and I'm simply going to go ahead and say, remember this content, and I'm going to say, I am going to ask questions out of it right here. So you can simply go ahead and send this out right here, and what happens is that Kimi will analyze and remember the particular article right here. It says, all right, I have read through the content, what would you like to know? Like, let's say for example, I'm going to say, what does www stand for, and what are the main two things I need to know about it right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and ask it now, then it says www that stands for World Wide Web, and here are the two main things you need to know about it: definition and purpose, key components right here, and so forth. So you can see that there are a lot of information right here. Let's go around onto random information. So it says in 1990. So I'm just going to go around and say what happened in 1990 right here, just like this. So now based on that particular information right here, you can see that it is actually searching the web and answering things right here, just like this. And then it says in 1990 several significant events across various fields, and here are some key insights. So this is what you have right here, World Wide Web development, but I'm just going to be specific and say answer the question out of the article. So sometimes it may not actually answer it properly right here, so I'm being specific to answer the question out of the article. So it says now it says, I see, based on the article you provided, here's what happened in 1990 related to the World Wide Web, development of the World Wide Web, first web server, and so forth. And this is how you can actually go ahead and ask questions based on uploaded contents in Kimi. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.